Welcome to another episode of the Dope Student Podcast.
Hi, my name is Noah.
Hi, my name is Eden.
Hi, my name is Millie.
And welcome to the Dope Student Podcast.
You are here today with Roder De Reynoso.
Can you introduce yourself and share what inspired you to become a life insurance agent?
Yes. So one of the main focus that comes with life insurance is protecting your loved ones. And I've personally lost my mother, in which I wish I would have been more prepared when I did lose her, in order to make sure that the family was secure. So one of the main reasons why I got involved in this business is for personal reasons. I like to help people out, and I think that's a great way to start.
What does financial freedom mean to you, and how do you help families achieve it through your work?
Financial freedom is important, and it allows you to have a life in which you can enjoy actually life. You can travel. With that comes learning about finance, comes with learning about how you make money, and how do you spend money. And in order to do that, you need to have a basis. And one of those bases starts with investing money, in which some life insurance company allow you to invest your money. So,
What are some misconceptions people often have about life insurance, and how do you address them?
a lot of the misconception that people have is they believe life insurance is only good when you die. That's wrong. There is a possibility, some insurances in which you obtain one, and a lot of those funds, you invest them in annuities and stocks. And it basically, people have the misconception that money, you can only use it when you pass away, but that's actually wrong. There's a lot of products in which you can put your money now and definitely obtain them while you still are living. So don't believe that.
Can you explain the different types of life insurance products and how they can benefit young families?
Indeed. My company, which is Prime America, that's who I'm affiliated with. I'm an agent for Prime America. A lot of the policies that we, are able to make it affordable to people is called term policies. That's one of them. There's also whole life policies in which, a lot of people really need to learn how the product comes about, in which some people don't understand the fact that some policies you're able to actually liquidate money, take money out of it while you're still living, and some you have to obviously, put money forth for any occurrences. So those are the two main policies that most companies sell will be whole life and term life.
What challenges did you face while studying for your licensing exam and traveling to classes, and how did you overcome them?
Definitely, it's a lot of studying, guys. It's a lot of studying involved. It's a lot of context, a lot of literacy that you have to do. And one of the things that helped me a lot is my mentor, which her name is Jadetsi Morales. That's who invited me and brought an invitation to me to this company. We do have an office here in Philadelphia. It's actually like 3 minutes away from here. It's right on Roland. So I was able to do some of my training there, as well as a lot of the training was also done in Allentown. So it was some traveling back and forth. But a lot of that also is online. A lot of that is also remote. So you just have to make the time and make it happen.
Why do you believe financial literacy is so important for students, and how can they start developing it early?
Financial literacy is very important, guys. It's important to learn the value of money, okay? Money is you earn it and you get to enjoy it. So you want to get a head start while you are young. Learn the good and the bad. Learn how you can make what you make $100. Learn how you can make that $100 grow, And in a sense, when you get to a level in life where you learn how to invest your money, is going to give you a way out on actually enjoying life and traveling and not having the burden of debt. So it's very important to get a head start while you're young and learn how it works, how money works.
What advice would you give to students interested in pursuing a career in the insurance or financial services industry?
Study, have a passion to help people out. This company is big on helping families, and one of the ways that we do that is by recruiting. We do a lot of recruitment. The goal to this is just come across people that you want to change their lives. You want them to be able to help families out, help their families out, and just get involved in the community, get to know people, and again have a passion to help people out. And this will be something. It will come out a natural thing for you.
Can you share a memorable experience or lesson that you've learned from working with clients or students?
The most memorable will be, like I said, will be my personal reasoning, which is when I lost my mother. Not having certain things established when she did pass away, is what brought that passion for me to learn about this field and try to get as much knowledge as I possibly could, to help those that I come across and those that I encounter. So it's losing her and not being knowledgeable about what can be done or what I can do for families now is one of the big things that brings me into the insurance world.
How can exposure to real-world experiences, like understanding life insurance, prepare students for making informed life decisions?
Experience-wise, I tell you guys, do research. The research is going to be your key to a lot of things. If you don't know something, my biggest motto, if you don't know something, learn it. Search it. How does this work? So learn the basis of financial, learn the basis of insurance, learn the basis of money. And that's going to allow you guys to navigate in what aspects of life you are more prone to be successful at. Everybody's not going to succeed in something. But at least learning and finding options of what options you can do, how you can navigate this world, will definitely be something I can tell you guys to start off as. Do your research. Research how things work,
As a hardworking mom, how do you balance your career and family life, and what lessons can students learn from your journey?
A mom of 3 is not easy. It's a lot involved as far as making the time for them, making the time for their activities. So the fact that this career allows me to be at home, work from home, is a big part in why I invested my time in this, because I am able to still make it to their events, to their school activities, and at the same time, I'm still able to do what I got to do from home. So my presence is felt at home. So it's a big thing of why, navigating in different careers in which I can be at reach of my kids is a big thing for me. And this career path that I've chosen allows me to do so.
What's one thing you've learned from working with people from diverse walks of life, and how has it shaped your approach to your career?
Everyone has different needs. People have different needs. So you just have to learn which one fits everybody, each person that you deal with. And not everybody's going to be pleasable. Not everyone that you encounter is going to make things easy for you. So I say, it's just one of those things in which, find different ways on learn the needs of people, and you will learn how to handle them, how to deal with them.
If you could share one key message with young listeners about achieving financial freedom, what would it be?
Start at an early age, guys. A lot of this is going to pay off when you, like I said, learn how money works. Learn how life works. Learn how you can achieve financial freedom, no debt, and how to incorporate that in your life, in your family life. And all of that, you could do it at a young age. For those that have a little more exposure on life. You know, a little older things. My reach right now is not going to be you guys' reach. You know why? Because all of this a lot of that has to do with age. So when you start young, you will advance a lot quicker in life as far as financial wise. So my key advice for you guys is do your research, start at an early age, learn how things work, how life works, how money works. And once you do that, it will help you guys navigate through life a little easier without debt, which is the key.
Okay, thank you guys for watching another episode of the Dope Student Podcast. Don't forget to follow us on all socials. Bye.
Bye.